Hi and welcome to Presentation Progress. Today we are going to see how to make title slide morph effect in PowerPoint. If you like my video then do subscribe so you will never miss any notification of my new video. So let's start. So this is how it looks. You have blank slide. Now then click this comes. In other videos also, in many videos I have seen in YouTube, you have the same effect but you have to animate it completely. But using this of PowerPoint, you don't have to do anything but use more correction only. So the work is almost half. So let's start. You can see I had only make 2 slides for it. Click on a new slide. Select a rectangle, rounded one. Make it a little curved. Format shape. Color, you have to select the second one. I'm clicking your no outline and selecting your shadow so that it is visible. You can select the shadow you want. For now I'm just copying this one, and after that your title, which is an Arial rounded empty bold, is this one. And after that I'm making some color palette. Select the first one and click on gradient fill. I had made a fill in which there are three, one at the end, one in the bottom, and one at the top. The top one is at a lighter color or some different color, and the other two are in the same color to give a nice effect. Same one also we have to do the same thing. The fill is pink and the colors are about orange. Now for the third fill, I'm selecting blue color and the other two are purple. So after that we have to make it like this. Select the same rounded rectangle and make it that then curved end. So now I have made it like this and rotation is 45 degree. After that go to select the first one, format painter, and select this. In the same way we have to do it for all of them. Just duplicating it, you can click on Ctrl plus D to do that. You can make it thin or large or keep it broadened. You can change the color later on. Like this, I'm just going to fill it out. I'm just selecting the one which to keep and where. So these are the position where you should keep. And I'm selecting a circle, a smaller one. In that I'm going to place I'm not keeping it in all the ones. I'm keeping it in some and at the random position. So after this you have to color it. You can use other color fills also. So now you can see I made it like this one, and after that make it small. Select this and you can just put it down. The bigger ones keep it up, and I'm making disappear this one. After that, I had made it similar to this one. I'm just duplicating it. You have to duplicate it earlier. So go to transition and click on morph. So now you can see the title which is in the Morph one. This is how it will be appearing. I had even kept some at the back. So now you can see how it is looking. If you like this video, then do subscribe for more PowerPoint related videos. Thank you.